Hey, it's Dr. Toker. I'm here for a little health tip. And it's going to be on macros. I don't know if y'all heard the rage of macros. You know what a macro is. You just may not know the term. So it's basically food is made out of protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Those are called macronutrients. And some hipster out there thought it was real cool to count your macros, man. But anyone who's paying attention to their diet knows there's a certain amount of protein you should have, a certain amount of fat you should have, and a certain amount of carbohydrates you should have. You may just not have ever called it a macro, and you may not actually know what those proportions are. So there are macronutrients and there are micronutrients. Micronutrients are basically your vitamins, your minerals, salts, and those kind of things. Those are all important things that are only required in small trace amounts. And then macronutrients are required in large amounts. So the human body uses energy to even just to lay here, to breathe, for your heart to beat and your brain to function, takes energy. That energy's got to come from somewhere. It's going to come from the foods that you consume. And if you're not consuming any foods, it will come from stores that are present in your body. And so the average American has tons of stores, trust me. That's why they come into the spa trying to lose weight, okay? So our goal in life is to adjust our macros to create the body that we want as opposed to the body we're currently staring at. So you are what you eat. And your mom told you that. Her mom told her that. This is so true. You are what you eat. If you want to have a high metabolism, lots of energy, those two things require water and muscle mass, right? So that means you got to drink lots of water. You got to eat lots of protein. Lots of protein you must eat. I don't care what the source of your protein is necessarily, vegetarian versus animal, but you got to eat a lot of it, okay? You have to drink lots of water. The next substance is fat, and a lot of people will go on these fat-free diets. A fat-free diet is actually dangerous for you. Fat is what we line our neurons with, right? So fat is critical. It helps your brain function. It helps chemical reactions to occur. It helps your eyesight. It helps you absorb vitamins. So you've got to have some manner of fat. All the cells of your body are fat-lined. It is a lipid molecule. That's what we mean by that. So fat is critically important to biology. And so you can't consume a zero-fat diet. That makes no biologic sense. So you do want to have fat in your diet. You just want to make sure it's a naturally occurring fat, like olive oil. Carbohydrates. All right, so here's the issue. Your body actually does not need exogenously consumed carbohydrates. I said it. There are chemical processes in your body that allow you to convert protein into a usable energy source and fat into an energy usable source. Carbohydrates just kind of go along for the ride. So you don't need your carbs for energy to work out. I promise you, you don't. But you really should make a conscious effort to avoid unnecessary carbohydrates. What is an unnecessary carbohydrate? Well, sugar, for one. You don't need sugar. Granulated sugar is the devil. I am a sugarholic. Okay, so stay away from sugar and sugar substitutes. That's the number one thing that you could do to improve your health. Anyway, so that's what macros are. So what I would tell you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the little notification bell thingy. That way you know when I post them. It might be something interesting. I'll venture out from health from time to time and talk about other things as well. But right now, we're talking health. All right. Find us on Facebook and go to our website. Check us out. Learn how to count your macros. It's very, very helpful in staying healthy. Talk to you soon.